Well, I'm going to shock you what I'm going to say. I don't try to convince anything of anyone. I say, you keep doing it the way you're doing it. Go knock your head out, pull your hair out, set your hair on fire, keep solving the same problems over and over again. You go knock yourself out. I'm not going to convince you of anything, because what I'm talking about is for 2% of the people in the world. There are 2% of your audience that are going to listen to what I'm saying and go, oh my gosh, that's it. And the rest of you are going to make all the excuses in the world. The rest of the 98% are going to make all the excuses in the world why it won't work and why it doesn't work for you. And you know what I say? Go knock yourself out. I could give a rat's ass.
The 2% are the people in the world who, when they hear about lean, they say, oh my gosh, that is it. I never waste my time with people that I need to convince that lean is a good thing. In a company, you have all different levels of performers, but within those people, they are all performing. I do not have non-performers in the company. That does not mean that all the people in the company are 2%. We're talking specifically about leaders who transform organizations. Within the company, there are people that perform at different levels, but everyone is performing. And if they're not performing, they're not on the bus, and I'm not going to waste my time with them. I tell them very simply, I bring them in the conference room and I explain with these simple words. I've said this many, many times. I will spend any amount of money to train and develop you. I'll send you to Japan. I'll send you to other companies. I will spend thousands of dollars every morning in a morning meeting. I will work side by side with you and show you what lean will do to your life and improve your work and your life at home. But if you force me to poke you, cajole you, swear at you, cuss at you, try to convince you that this is a good thing, you're going to have to find another job.